what up? It's your boy. Back at it again with the Audi. Y'all already know what time it is, you know what I'm saying, on this video. Radiator's already mounted up. I'm gonna go ahead and do everything else. Radiator's mounted up. I'm finna mount the condenser and button everything back up. So, you know, I'll probably show you what's going on or whatnot, but let me go ahead and get everything ready and I'm gonna get right to it. I know a whole bunch of y'all salty ass is gonna hate me for this, but I'm gonna tell you this. I need to turn the car on. I need to move it. So, I'm gonna put this bitch back on. You feel me? Now, that being said, let's see if it will fit. All fucked up like that. Alright, yeah, hate me all you want, but it's on. I'll put it on. I strained it a little bit, and I put it on. That's fucked up right there. I know that it's whatever's fucked, but that's gonna have to do for a few days, because I'm just moving it around where I'm gonna park it at, so, oh well. I don't have to do in the meantime, so. Yeah, I'm mad or whatever, that's on you. Sounds like a personal problem to me. I do my thing. Continue to do my thing. So yeah, I'll just get up there. Say that's what right here. This can't like that. Y'all see how the grill is completely busted. Let me see if I can show y'all real quick. Flip it over. It's completely busted, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that for sure. So let me go ahead and show you the new grill. This new grill is something serious, you know. I got the I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Alright, y'all. Let me go ahead and show you this. This is the like the cover that goes in front of the bumper to the radiator support. So that, I don't see the point of showing that. This is what it is. Bam. Right in this fat ass box. Small ass thing. Well, it's not small, but show it. Go ahead and show y'all what's going on, y'all. Show y'all what's going on. See this right here? I got the glossy version of the AUDI A4 honeycomb grill. The reason why I got that one is because, see, the other one, it was matte black, and it's like, man, whatever. I didn't like it, so I wanted a little tone to the car, so I just went ahead and got this. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on the bumper and show you what's going on. All right, yeah, so I brought it outside. I got the emblem and stuff up in here. This is the old grill. Here's the bumper. It's not in the best condition though, but to me it just needs a nice paint job. So that's what we would do. I will get in the honeycomb fog light grills as well. Oh boy, they look good. Woo! I cannot wait to put this on the car, y'all. I'm telling you. For whatever reason, this joint's like a little off down here. I gotta figure out why. I don't know. Maybe the bracket is, you know, down or whatever. So I figure out why. But yeah, pretty much it's on. So I just gotta figure out down there why it's sitting like that. But yeah, pretty much it's done. Still gotta replace. Take this out because I won't be using these at all. And then put the logo on. And we should be good to go, y'all. I'm telling y'all, let me go ahead and finish up because it's getting a little late and I'm gonna show you what's popping. Boom! And then she's on. Ooh, she look good. I cannot wait to put her outside, clean the lens, clean the headlight and everything else, and see how she finally look. But I gotta finish up and show y'all tomorrow, or maybe tonight if I'm done, if it's not too late. But yeah, let me go ahead and try to get this done. Definitely gonna need new headlights. That's facts. So at least one of them. This one's still good, but you know, depending on how it is, I might just switch them anyways. So let me go and finish up and I'm gonna show you the final result. Actually, yeah, here's the logo and RS4 parts or whatever. Probably won't use that because in reality, this is not RS4. And now I just want to be a pretender, but yeah, who knows, I might just put it on for the hell of it for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this on. And like I said, button everything up and see how it looks. So I'm about to go see what's up. What up? The front is finally done, y'all. I know y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready to see this. It's been a minute. I lost the last footage off the video, but I have to show y'all. All right, I know y'all ain't ready. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? All right, let me show you. All right, y'all, but here you go. This is how the front is sitting on right now. Yes, this hood is messed up. I got this hood for free. You know, someone gave it to me. Shout out to the guy. I just wanted to make sure it would fit on. It's not all the way down. I still got to adjust it or whatever the case is. So, but yeah, pretty much this house is looking right now. Still got to adjust the headlights. Make sure they, you know, it fits in right there the way it's supposed to. Just on this side, you know, the other side's pretty good. But pretty much, y'all, this is how she's looking. It's looking pretty good. Now I gotta go ahead and get this windshield repaired. And if I find another hood, better. I definitely need to get another hood because, you know, this is not it at all. But this is what I have to do for right now. I mean, the car's not going anywhere. I just want to make sure the frame is good and everything else. So, yeah. So, y'all already know, man. Y'all already know she's looking fire. Definitely, I've been wanting to finish this video, but I have been moving around, you know, getting a lot of stuff situated. You know, school started it, so I have to make sure. Yeah, I got everything situated. Also, I have to go ahead and take the what's his name? Let me show y'all. I have to go ahead and take this radio thing off so I can change the fuse because for whatever reason it's burnt. So I believe the fuse is burnt, so I have to go ahead and change that. I bought the thing to remove the windshield, but that thing it's hard. I can't do it. So yeah, pretty much I got Then I'll be looking forward to get some new headlight. After the headlights, of course, the hood that has still got to be changed. Then we're gonna move forward to the wheels. I have a set of wheels in mind that is gonna look insane, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna look way too good. But we can't shoot hot for the stars right now. We gotta take it easy and take it slow because the budget's a little tight. So we're gonna do the best we can. So y'all gotta stay tuned for this, man. It's serious. This is one of the quickest rebuild I've done so far. So let's see how this is right here. It's messed up. It's a whole bunch of them. I could have fixed this hood, but it don't really matter to me, honestly. So, but all right, y'all, I'm gonna let you go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for sure. I appreciate y'all watching me. I appreciate y'all following through with the builds. Y'all already know, man. She's finished the Z. I can't show y'all what's going on, or maybe y'all gonna see it by the time I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Y'all might, get a little sneak peek. Ooh, can't show you the whole thing. Stop playing with me. But but right now for the Z, I'm looking for some over fenders. I was gonna get a new rear quarter panel, but I mean it's $200-300 for a quarter panel when I can just go ahead and get some over fenders, a 50 mm. I can't say that. So, and I mean it's gonna be like $500, $100-200 more. That's cool with me. I mean I'd rather spend that. The car's gonna look way better, and I get to run this set of wheels that I want eventually, because that build is gonna be mad crazy. But enough said about the 350. We're here on the Audi, man. This Audi is gonna look insane, y'all. I'm telling y'all. And I think this is a game. This is not a game. Look at that front end, boy. Insane. Now that grill though, A1. Fitment, A1. Can't even complain. But I'm ready to move it around because too many bugs over here. Way too many bugs. So I have to go ahead and finish that so I can move it around, man. I can move it around. But all right, y'all, I'm finna let y'all go. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all like this video, smash the thumb button for sure, though. Smash it like bam. For real though, because we need it. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all be good, y'all be safe, stay blessed.